In this video, I will show you how to make captions bigger on YouTube. This is one of my videos. The captions on this video are the default size. We will make these captions bigger. Push on this gear icon here. Press on this option here that says Subtitles/CC. Come up to the top right of this tab and push on Options. Come down to where it says Font Size, push on that. Scroll down and push on 400%. As you can see, guys, the captions that are playing on this video are bigger. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make captions bigger on YouTube.